Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to copy YouTube video link. So to copy a YouTube video link, open YouTube and sign in to your account. Next, open the video that you want to share. Next, you can copy the URL from the address bar. So highlight it and press Ctrl C on Windows to copy it. Or you can click CMD plus C on Mac. Next method, you can scroll down a bit, look for share button and click on it. So click the share below the video and then click copy right here to copy the link. Then you can share it to your social media like Instagram, Facebook, X, WhatsApp, etc. And that's basically it. So again, just open your video or any video on YouTube.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
Then you can copy the address bar, copy the URL, highlight it. You can right click on it and click copy, or you can scroll down and click the share button and click copy right here and share it to your other social media. And that's it. Thank you for watching.